Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to discover app login error. Start by fully closing the discover app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for discover app and then swipe them away. Go ahead and check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Then go ahead and open the app again and carefully re-enter your username and password. If the error continues, tap forgot password or username and reset your login. Also make sure the Discover app is updated to the latest version. Head over to your app store, search for Discover and then see if you have updated your app to the latest version. If you have not, make sure to update it. Updating your app helps you have the latest version and fixes your bugs. So make sure to update it to the latest version in the App Store or Play Store, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.